Welcome to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are starting with one of the easiest signals to understand, price change percent. It answers one simple question: how far has this stock moved today? Price change percent compares the current price with the previous close. If yesterday's close was the starting line, today's price shows how far the stock has moved away from that line. When price is above the previous close, the percent change is positive. When price is below it, the percent change is negative. That sounds simple, but it is useful because percentages make different stocks easier to compare. Imagine stock A is priced near $20 and stock B is priced near $200. A $1 move on stock A is about 5%. A $1 move on stock B is only about half of 1%. Same dollar move, very different meaning. On a chart, you can think of the previous close as a baseline. If the price line climbs and crosses a plus 5% alert, that can tell you buyers are moving the stock strongly enough to deserve attention. It may be a news reaction, strong momentum, or a gap-and-go setup. The same idea works on the downside. If price drops below a minus 3% alert, that can warn you sellers are taking control or risk is increasing faster than usual. But here is the important part: do not chase every big percentage move. A big move is not a trade by itself. It is a signal to investigate, check volume, check the news, look at the larger trend, and notice nearby support or resistance before making a decision. In Signal Alert, you can add price change percent, choose a positive or negative threshold, and create an alert for the stocks you want to watch. The goal is simple: let Signal Alert watch the movement. And so you can focus on deciding whether the signal actually matters. Check out Signal Alert, EO, and build your next market alert in minutes.